What's up guys, it's Tech Media Reviews, and in this episode we have a new product, the IQ Shield liquid screen protector for the LG V30, which I have right here. So today I guess we're gonna put this on my phone and we're gonna see how it is. So let's open it up. Okay. Pretty simple. Let's see. Squeegee. Ooh, cleaning cloth. Where's that liquid? It's right here. Oh, we got the liquid. So I think that's everything that comes in the box. There's nothing else. So here we got the liquid that you need, the installation solution, the squeegee that you're going to use to take out the liquid, the cleaning cloth to clean the device before you put the screen protector on. And then here is where we have, let's see, we got an installation video that they can show us. Devices. I should do this before going to bed, but I am doing this in the morning, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. Edges won't stick. Okay, let's see. Here we have both of them. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Can't really see it. It's kind of clear. Yeah, I can see it. And this, I guess, was just to like protect it. So I know I am using one hand to record this, so I'm gonna have to pause the video and I'll come back when I'm done placing the screen protector on the phone. Okay. What's up guys? I'm back. So let's see. Look at this. Now it does look like there may be a few bubbles, but they said that it would go out in like 6 hours, so you just need to wait. As you can see, it does go edge. I don't have any bubbles, so yeah. And just to tell you guys that it's easy, it's actually the first time I ever put a screen protector on by myself. And see, look at this, it's pretty simple. The sides may have a little spacing, but I think it's probably gonna stick on when the liquid's gone. So look at that. Look at that, the top, side, bottom. It's pretty nice. I did use the first one, so there's nothing here anymore. I still have a second one because they give a second one. So even if you fail the first time, you could probably try again because they give you a second one. And I also still have some solution left. I have like half the bottle left, so that's good. So I want to use it again. Okay. So I do recommend this. This is like $8 on Amazon right now. I'll put a link in the description. IQ Shield liquid screen protector. Yeah, and it's really simple. So, and if you guys don't know, they even give a paper saying go watch the installation video. But it's pretty simple. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys can come back next time. Bye.